Phantom 3 Advanced. We're going to go ahead and take this out for a ride, or a flight, I should say. See what we got. Our battery indicator, that's good. Alright, and we've got our controller here powering up. So, go into the DJI app. With our controller on. Skip the intro. And we'll want to connect to Phantom 3 Advanced. And we're going to have to take it out there, put it on my landing pad, and we'll go ahead and calibrate the compass, and we'll take it up for a bit. I'm going to go ahead and strap this on my head. Let's just make sure I've got it aimed correctly. Looks like we do. And we'll go ahead and go out here. Everything looks good on the security monitor around the compound. Yeah, I got all kinds of gadgets here, so we're gonna go out. Don't worry about me. Stay here, Brandy. You can watch. You can watch me. Oh, Harley, just watch. It's me. So we've got some spectators out here today. We powered up the camera, or the quad, which is the camera. We're going to see if we can connect. Oh, controller went off for some reason. Alright, we've got it on now. We're going to go ahead and calibrate. Okay. Okay, looks like we are calibrated. It says safe to fly. We are in F mode, function mode. We're going to put it in P mode. Altitude mode is that one. We're going to put it in P mode. We're not going to do any functions today, such as follow me or anything like that. We're just going to take it up for a quick flight. Put the strap around my head, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the record button on the copter. So we've got our record on the copter, and we're going to go ahead and take it up. started the engines. Okay. And as you notice, the Phantom 3 is a whole lot more stable than the Hubsan 501S, which is so much more lightweight than this one. I'm going to turn you around here. I think we've got some spectators out on the back porch. See, I know we've got one over here. Me and my doggy. Let's see if we can get my doggy in here. She's not even paying attention. There's one spectator right there. I'm going to practice with my camera here. Make sure I know what is up and down. Okay. I know how to roll it up and down now. Let's take a look over here. My neighbor's nice hangout over here. He's got a nice fire pit area there. Very nice. I'll go up over these woods here, over my neighbor's house. I'll get a view of my house here. And our house has a nice unique feature of a pool right in the middle of the house. Actually, when you come in the front door, you get to see this pool. You walk right into a courtyard area. I'll show you the front of the house here. We share a driveway gate with our neighbors. And that's our neighbor's house. This is our house here. And if you come around to the front door, and when you enter the front door of the home, which really freaks people out, you're in a courtyard area, and you just see this giant pool area, pavered pool area there. It's really unique. So let's take it up a bit. Come back over here. Should be able to see it now on the head cam I have on, the GoPro head cam. Hopefully I have that angled right. We've got a small plane above us. It's traveling right above us. Okay, let's take it out over the lake. And let's bring the camera up now. Nice view of the fountain and all of our Lake Hood neighbors. Oh, did you see that lightning strike over there? Wow. Might see some lightning strikes out on this flight out in the distance there. It's in the evening hours now, so you might be able to follow the copter, the Phantom 3, with the lights that it's got on the copter itself. I'm just kind of parked here. Going to do a little turn. Trying to see if we can capture some lightning strikes off in the distance, because we've got some dark clouds over there. go over this way. Take it up a bit. Let's get the propellers out of the way there, or the props. I'm trying to get some lightning strikes. Oh, there's a lightning strike. I don't recommend this being out here in lightning storms, but it is in the distance. So let's see if we can capture any lightning strikes over there. Pretty neat. I need to get a good one though. Over there. I'm just parked here right now up in the sky. Oh, there's a pretty good one. Florida is the lightning capital of the world, so if that tells you anything, we should be able to capture some lightning here. Hopefully not right over myself. Looks like the storm's over this way to the right more. Stay here for another minute and see if we can capture it. There's some. Okay. Let's head back. I'm gonna head back, but I'm gonna keep the camera pointed that way. Phantom 3 moves a whole lot quicker than Hubsan 501S. This thing really goes. I don't know if you can see it over there. It's coming this way. I'm going to curve it around. Bring it down a bit. Oh, there's a bird. I'm going to see if I can capture that bird there. Flying off. There it is. The bird's going over the fountain.
Treasure.
And then we're going to bring it down and come over this way toward us.
Oh, there it is.
You see it?
Yeah.
Moves really quick. Still got it pointed over toward the lightning strike area. So we're trying to get video of the lightning while we're up there this evening. See if I can get me in the picture. And my niece. Come down a bit. Yep. There we are. Oh, there's a lot of birds over there. Let's see if I can get them flying over the lake. Oh, there's one.
How fast can that thing go? Oh.
Some lightning strikes and everything going on.
There's more lightning strikes.
There's another bird over there and some lightning strikes. Okay, let's bring this down to see me now. See us, because hopefully you can see this in the head cam I have mounted on myself today. Hello, how you doing? Welcome to the twHomeShow.
Where are you going?
We're going out and about again.
Where are you going? He doesn't like me.
I saw some more lightning strikes.
Over there. There was lots.
Oh, there's a bird right next to it. Oh, look at that lightning strike.
Look at that.
Wow.
There's a little bird right there. Oh, there's some over
Jeez.
there.
This is almost like the 4th of July with these lightning strikes.
The happiest day. In that
Okay,
happened.
we're going to come back for a safe landing, hopefully. So we'll bring them back.
Airplane.
Oh yeah, there's an airplane there. There's our drone. There's the airplane. And I'm going to come down to our landing pad. I have the landing pad right there. So we're going to land on that landing pad. Hopefully we get a nice clean landing. Perfect landing. And the lightning's still going on, so we're going to go ahead and get on out of here. I'm going to turn off the record first. And okay, thank you. Turn off the copter. And we're going to go back inside now. Safe to turn off the controller now. Okay. And that one should have some good lightning strikes on it.